Hey, to download additional watch faces on your CMF Watch Pro, all you have to do is just to grab your grab your smartphone and click on this icon on the CMF application. Then you have to click on this More with the dial gallery. And now from this you can actually find a lot of different watch faces. So let's say that I want to get something from the digital watch faces. I have to click on More. And as you can see from this, I can find a lot of cool looking watch faces. So if I want to get, for example, this one, I can just click on it. And now I can just tap download and use. Now I have to click yes. Of course, you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. And after this process, I will get this watch face on my CMF Watch Pro. So take a look right here. There we go. Now I can find new watch face on my watch. And that's all for this video right now. Please subscribe.